Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can move or transfer files from your Google Drive to Dropbox. So, without further ado, let's begin. First thing is to log in our Google Drive and also our Dropbox account. And once logged in, we're going to go to Dropbox and then we're going to click here on Create. A drop-down menu will appear, but we will go and click on Import from Google Drive. Once you click on it, it will open a window where you can select or search for the files from your Google Drive that you want to import to Dropbox. For this video, we're going to click on this file, Budget Tracker. Click on it and then choose Select. After that, a window will appear that will say it's either you overwrite files with the same name or delete the files from the source. So once you finish clicking your desired option, click on Upload. Wait for a few seconds. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!